I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go. I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn.
I'm actually gonna do the review on the Sprint Drive hotspot OBD plugin or whatever. I've been wanting to do the T-Mobile one, but I never did get around it because I switched to Sprint now. So I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and try this. So I did install it just now. It's just 3 simple steps. You just download the Sprint Drive app on your phone, whatever phone you have, Apple or Android, and create a new account. I think you have to create a new account. You can't use your old Sprint account or whatever. After you create the new account, then you scan the code, the URL code, and pretty much that's it. You just plug it in and just start your car up back, and that's it. And I'm gonna show you how it actually shows on my cell phone. This is the Sprint Drive app loading up. As you can see, that is my car, and I'm actually at the McDonald's parking lot. And it also gives you direction. So if you just not, say you lend your car to somebody and you want to know where they go, I mean basically like you spying on them or whatever, just to make sure where they're going and where they bring back your car. Anyway, so it actually gives you real-time location, and I guess I did not drive with it yet, so I'm not sure. Plus, if you want, like, you know, gas station, the prices and everything, the closest gas station plus the price. I normally buy at Shell gas station, Circle K. And it actually give you, let's see what this is, actually outside your car health alert. So the battery is good, yeah, the intake temperature, yeah, the coolant is good. I mean, it is hot outside. It's like 94, feels like 100. I actually live in Florida, so it is gonna be hot. So that's pretty good. You get alert just like your typical OBD, you know, scanner. It's yes, the RAV4, then it go up. So this is give you driving score. I guess they normally see how you drive. I did not test that yet, so I just got it. So that's pretty much good. Roadside assistance maintains up for set a curfew. That's pretty good. I mean, set a curfew. It's like, okay, that's curfew zone. So you set your notification. I just got it about an hour now. Just installed it a couple minutes ago, and what it's really good for. I just bought this because of the hotspot, and yeah. So that's how the interface looks right now. I mean, what's new? They got a lot of, like, maybe some new updates. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's just 3 simple steps, and there's actually 2 plans. I mean, one is for $25 unlimited, and the next one is for $10 with 2 gig of data. That's what I actually have right now. I mean, I'm gonna start out with the 2 gigs of data. Yeah, I know I'm trying to rap. The only thing that comes in the manual is that, the only thing that comes in the box is that some booklets. I'm gonna read the booklets. Yeah, I know it's simpler to go on YouTube and just watch some tutorial how to set up and what the features are and what the hidden features. But I'm actually going to read this and just like do another update on it and see how it actually works. As I did connect it, it was so easy. So I'll be probably catch you in the next one. So peace.